Facebook groups can be such an amazing tool for building know, like, and trust with your audience and converting more sales and signups in your business. But when you're first starting out, how do you grow your group? Here at the Global Freedom Community, we have grown our Facebook group from scratch to over 10,000 members. And in this video, I'm going to share 5 tips for beginners to help you get your group growing fast. Hey there, I'm Maylea, co-founder of the Global Freedom Community alongside my mom and business partner, Kathy Schneider, where we give ambitious women the blueprint to start, grow, and automate your online business so that you can create revenue on autopilot while living the lifestyle of your dreams. If you're new here, be sure and hit that subscribe button because we put out great new videos just like this one every single week, and we don't want you to miss the next free training that we release. When working to grow your Facebook group, there's a pretty simple rule that you should follow. And that is, if you don't feel like you're talking about your group too much, you probably aren't talking about it enough. When growing on social media, we make the mistake of believing that we're talking to a captive audience. Because we have a certain number of friends or followers, we think that each time we post or mention something, everyone is going to see it, and we don't need to bring it up again. Instead, I want you to start thinking of your social media presence like a parade. You're constantly moving, stepping in front of new people who have never heard of you or seen you on social media before. I mean, imagine if at the Macy's Thanksgiving parade, the band played a song at the beginning of the route and then just carried their instruments along at their sides for the rest of the parade. That route is 2.5 miles long. Imagine how many people would miss out on the beautiful music and performances if everyone did this. Even your current friends and followers can't be everywhere on the parade route. You need to repeat your message frequently so that everyone gets a chance to hear it. I've got 5 ways to help you do that, so let's dive in. Tip number 1, link your group everywhere. Include the link to your group across all of your social media platforms so that no matter where someone first finds you, they can connect with you further. For example, if you're watching this video on YouTube, then down in the description below, you will find a link to our Facebook group. If you're reading this on our blog, then you can look up at the top of the screen and the menu, you will see a link to join our group. If you're watching a reel on Instagram, you will find the group link in our bio. Same for TikTok. On our Facebook page, we have a button for people to join our group. And on each of our personal Facebook profiles, we include a link to join the group in our About section as well. We use Linktree for the link in our bio across Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. This allows us to have one link that people can click on, which then directs them to multiple different resources where they can take the next step or connect with us further. I will link it for you in the description below, so you can check it out. Tip number 2 is to remind your people of your group in your emails. Our favorite way to do this is to include a PS at the bottom of your emails at least once a week, inviting people to join the group. Each time we do this, we get an influx of new members, which really blows my mind because so often people join our group after they've been on our email list for months, despite hearing about the group before, or for whatever reason, they just weren't ready to join until now, which is why frequent reminders are so important. Tip number 3, use your group as a CTA, a call to action in your posts. Every week, make sure that you mention your group as the call to action in at least a few of your posts, whether it's an Instagram Reel, a Facebook Live, or even in your stories. Mentioning your group frequently will boost the chance of it being seen by both your current followers and new people who are finding you every single day. Tip number 4, leverage other groups to promote your group when it's allowed. There's a lot of huge Facebook groups out there who will allow you to promote your group to their audience. Now, some of these groups have an anything goes policy, but most only allow this on specific days or even just on specific posts. So make sure you check the group rules very carefully before you start promoting. When mentioning your group, be sure you share the benefits of becoming a member. Don't just give the name, let people know what is in it for them. By being clear on who the group is for and how it will benefit them, you're going to attract the right kind of group members who will go on to become customers or clients inside your business. Finally, and this is our favorite, tip number 5, promote your group in your freebies and on your thank you pages. My mom and I have always used freebie funnels as our primary tool to attract, capture, and convert more clients and customers for our business. And because we strategically share our group within those freebies and on our thank you pages, over 80% of our group members have joined our group through this strategy. Include a resource page at the end of your freebie where you tell people how to take the next step and connect with you further. Also, after someone opts into your freebie, you can include a link to your group as the next step, both on your thank you page and on your freebie delivery page. Remember, the goal of your marketing efforts is to consistently move people through your funnel, always giving them the next step so that they can connect with you further and move closer to a buying decision. By giving people your Facebook group as the next step after downloading your freebie, you won't just be growing your email list, but you'll also be growing your group simultaneously. If you want to learn more about how we've used freebie funnels to attract, capture, convert, and create leads and sales on autopilot in our business, then you definitely want to check out our Repeatable Revenue Masterclass. This is a full 60-minute training where we break down our entire profit system, showing you exactly how we built our business from scratch to 7 figures by working just a few hours a week from our laptops. You can reserve your seat at globalfreedomcommunity.com/free training, and I'll link it below. If you want to dive deeper into Facebook groups, we put together a great playlist with several other videos to help boost your engagement and grow your group on autopilot. You can check it out right here. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go so that you'll get notified the next time we release a new video. We put out new videos on this channel weekly, and I don't want you to miss out. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you next time.